everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a very important topic of circle, which is family of circles. Lots of questions have been asked in JEE Mains Advanced from this concept. Okay, so we will firstly answer the question: why do we need to study this topic? ये topic हम क्यों पढ़ें? So it will help us to reduce the calculation by manifold. So whenever in the question we can use the concept of family of circles we will use because it will help us to reduce the calculation. Okay, now the question raises here: how does it help to reduce the calculation? Okay, so we will see one by one. Let's study the first case. Okay, let's say we have a circle having equation as s equals to 0. Okay, and there is a line having equation l equals to 0, where s symbolize x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c, and l symbolize lx plus ny plus n. Okay, now from the point of intersection of this circle and this line, let's say a and b, we can draw infinite circle. You can see that from these 2 points we can draw infinite circles. From these 2 points we can draw infinite circles. We can draw infinite circles. Okay, now we want to find the equation of these circles. Okay, so according to the concept, the equation of the circle which passes through the point of intersection of this circle s equals to 0 and the given line l equals to 0 is given by s plus lambda l equals 0, where lambda is any real number. For different values of lambda, we will have different circles. Okay, we will have different circles. So this equation represents the equation of the circle, family of circle, which passes through the point of intersection of the given circle s equals to 0 and the given line l equals to 0. Okay, now how this equation represent the equation of circle. पहला क्वेश्चन ये रेज होता है कि ये जो इक्वेशन है वो सर्कल की इक्वेशन को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. दूसरा पॉइंट ये a और b से ही पास कर रहा है. how can we say that it passes through a and b only. Okay, so first question first, s plus lambda l equals to 0. When we put s equals x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c plus lambda times l is nothing but lx plus my plus n equals 0 plus lambda 0. Okay, here you can see that when we club it out, it will be x square plus y square plus 2g lambda into l into x plus 2f lambda into m into y plus c plus lambda l equals 0. Now this equation is second degree equation in x and y. You can see that this is the second degree equation in x and y, having coefficient of x square and y square equal, and there is no term containing xy. So this equation represents the equation of the circle. It is quite clear. Second point is, ये तो पता चल गया कि ये सर्कल का ही इक्वेशन है. Now the question raises here: how can we say that this passes through a and b only? a और b दोनों से पास कर रहा है, ये हम लोग कैसे मान लें? ये कर्व सर्कल का इक्वेशन है, ये तो क्लियर हो गया क्योंकि सेकंड डिग्री इक्वेशन है जहाँ पे x स्क्वायर और y स्क्वायर के कोएफिशिएंट इक्वल है and there is no term containing xy. Okay, or we may say that the coefficient of xy is 0. So this represents the equation of the circle. ये क्लियर हो गया. दूसरा कि a और b से ही कैसे पास कर रहा है. As you can see that this point A lies on the line l equals to 0 as well as on this circle s equals to 0. So when we put the coordinates of A in s and l, so both of them individually will become 0 because this point A will satisfy both the equation of the line as well as the equation of the circle. So when we put the coordinates of A, s will individually be 0 and l will be individual 0. So irrespective of the value of lambda, this condition will always be satisfied because s is 0, l is 0, so LHS will be equals to RHS. LHS will be 0 irrespective of the value of lambda. So LHS will be equals to RHS, which means point A will satisfy this curve. Similarly, there is no speciality in point B. Point B also lies on this line L equals to 0 and on this circle S equals to 0. Okay, so point B will also satisfy this curve, and this curve is what? This curve is a circle. So ये circle है जो कि A और B दोनों से satisfied हो रहा है. So we can say that this is the equation of the family of the circle which passes through the point of intersection of this circle S equals to 0, which is given to us, and L equals to 0. Okay, तो यहाँ पे हमने पता किया कि ये क्या अपने पास equation of the family of circles है. Now the question is here, how does it help to reduce the calculation? Calculation को reduce करने में हमें कैसे help किया? आप सोचो कि आप ये equation नहीं जानते हो, तो आप क्या करोगे, कैसे solve करोगे? तो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है एक ऐसा सर्कल जो इस लाइन L इक्वल्स टू 0 और सर्कल S इक्वल्स टू 0 के पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन से पास कर रहा है. हमारा फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट वर्क विल बी व्हाट, कि S और L की इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे, सर्कल और लाइन को, सॉरी सर्कल एंड स्ट्रेट लाइन को सॉल्व करेंगे. फ्रॉम देयर वी विल फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ A एंड B. A और B का कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड आउट करेंगे. वंस वी गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ A एंड B, फिर हम लोग क्या लेंगे, एक जनरल सर्कल ले लेंगे, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 2gx प्लस 2fy प्लस c इक्वल्स टू 0, और उसमें a के कोऑर्डिनेट्स को सेटिस्फाई करेंगे एज वेल एज b के कोऑर्डिनेट्स को सेटिस्फाई करेंगे. जो g f c में हमारे पास दो इक्वेशन आएंगे और g और f, वहां से हम लोग g और f को c के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. तो हमारा जो इक्वेशन होगा वो c के फॉर्म में आएगा, एक सिंगल वेरिएबल के फॉर्म में आएगा. ठीक है ना. और ये सारा जो कैलकुलेशन जो हमने अभी परफॉर्म किया, वो सारा परफॉर्मेंस करने के बाद हमें क्या मिला, इक्वेशन ऑफ द सर्कल इन टर्म्स ऑफ सी. बट ये पूरा कैलकुलेशन हमने एक छोटा सा स्टेप से, छोटे से इक्वेशन से एकदम सिंप्लीफाई करके रख दिया, x प्लस लैम्डा एल इक्वल्स टू 0. यहाँ पे हमने क्या रखा, s प्लस लैम्डा एल इक्वल्स टू 0 वेयर लैम्डा इज एनी रियल नंबर. लैम्डा के डिफरेंट वैल्यूज के लिए क्या होगा, डिफरेंट सर्कल्स को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. ओके, सो दिस विल रिड्यूस आवर कैलकुलेशन बाय मैनीफोल्ड. यू कैन इजीली अज्यूम फ्रॉम हियर. Okay, so I'm gonna illustrate an example. एक क्वेश्चन भी illustrate करना चाहता हूँ आपके सामने. So stay with me. It says that we have to find the equation of the smallest circle which passes through the point of intersection of the circle x square plus y square equals to 4 and a line x plus 2y equals 5. Okay, which means we have a circle x square plus y square equals to 4 and a given line x plus 2y minus 5 equals 0. Okay, so we know that equation of the family of circle which passes through the point of intersection of S and L is given by s plus lambda L equals 0. S plus lambda L equals 0. Okay, so we can see that from these two point of intersections A and B, we can draw lots of circles. We have to find the smallest circle. A smallest circle के लिए क्या होना चाहिए, A और B क्या होना चाहिए, diameter की तरह काम करना चाहिए ना. A and B must be the diameter of that circle. Equation of any circle which passes through the point of intersection of the circle S equals to 0 as well as L equals to 0 is given by s plus lambda L equals to 0. Okay, so we can write it as x square plus y square minus 4 plus lambda times x plus 2y minus 5 equals 0. So this will be x square plus y square plus lambda x plus 2 lambda y minus 4 plus 5 lambda equals 0. So this is our equation. This is our general equation of the family of circle which passes through the point of intersection of this circle S equals to 0 and this line L equals to 0. Now, if equation 1 is the smallest circle, in that case, if equation 1 represents the smallest circle, so AB must be the diameter of the circle. AB must be the diameter of the circle. So the center must lie on AB. If equation 1 represents the smallest circle, okay, so the center of this circle must lie on this line L equals to 0. So what is the coordinate of center of this circle? Minus lambda by 2. On comparing with the standard equation, minus g and minus f. So minus f will be minus lambda. Okay. So coordinates of center are minus lambda by 2 minus lambda. As point C lies on this line, x plus 2y minus 5 equals 0. Okay. So we will put the coordinates of C in this equation. We will have minus lambda by 2 plus 2 into minus lambda minus 5 equals 0. From here, when we solve this one, this will be minus 4 lambda minus lambda, which is minus 5 lambda upon 2 equals plus 5. So the value of lambda will be minus 2. So the value of lambda is minus 2. Now put lambda equals to minus 2 in this equation to find the equation. Hence our equation is, hence the desired equation is, hence the required equation is given by x square plus y square plus lambda x is minus 2x plus 2 lambda into y is minus 4y and minus 4 plus minus 10 is minus 6, so this will be plus 6 equals 0. So this is our desired equation. This is our desired equation. So this represents the equation of the smallest circle which passes through the point of intersection of this circle and this line L equals to 0. Okay. I hope it is clear to you. You must have enjoyed it. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.